Will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps. So you click here on apps, it's going to show for you this like this here. And here you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click here on search. Then here at Free Fire Max, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Free Fire Max app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.